Guys, so welcome to my channel, which is Missive Information, and I'm gonna get you the first chapter information, that is what is technical writer, what are the roles and responsibility in the technical writing field, and if you wanted to become a technical writer, what kind of qualification is required for you, and the very main thing, that how much you can earn. So let's get to the point, that what is exactly a technical writer or documentation manager is. So in software industry, you know that a lot of team members, and they're gonna build a they were working for a particular project, and a lot of people are involved into it. So this is not a one-person job. A lot of people are there, like a whole team that works for a development part, and those are developers, and those who gonna test the development part, that those are the testers, and then we have BAs in the team, those have the domain specific knowledge. Similarly, that need came like not a long back, but very recently, that we required technical writers in the team, so that software documentation, those are the very important thing, because this is the first impression that goes to the client, or on the user's hand, or anybody. I mean, it's a first frame that that anybody can judge a particular product. So that product or that software is gonna judge by the documentation. So this is the most important thing, and the software industry also understand the requirement of this profile. So then this technical writers profile came into the picture, and then first the massive giant companies like Google, Microsoft, though these are gonna they started hiring technical writers job. But now the scene is like everybody wants technical writers in their organization for each products. So this is how the technical writers came in the picture, and now I'm going to tell you that what are actually the technical writers are doing. So technical writer documentation managers are actually working on the documents. Those are user manuals, user specific documents. Those are directly goes to the hand of users, that how they can actually operate softwares. And another documentation that is very important, that API documentation. Basically, in every software, a lot of APIs are built, so those API specific information is also maintained by the technical writers team. So after even the one developer, whosoever is worked on the one API, the another developer, if that developer wanted to edit that particular API, that wanted to work on that particular API that is developed by any other developer, that person can also use it by the help of this document. So this is the important thing, that that's why we are maintaining the API documentation as well. And then another thing, that is installation guide. Every software needs an installation in your system, so you need to install the softwares in the system, and that instruction also goes into the document. That document is also created by the technical writers. And then a lot of other documents like release notes and other specific area documentation like white paper, anything, that these are also maintained and created by the documentation manager and the technical writers team. So another very important thing that the people mostly have in the mind, that in the myth that normally people are carrying, that if you wanted to work in the IT industry, you always need to know the IT specific knowledge. You need to be graduate in some kind of technical area, then only you can get into the IT. It's not with the technical writer. If you the basic need which is very important for a technical writer is the writing. If you have a great writing skills, you can become a great technical writer. So technical writer can be any graduate person can be a technical writer, postgraduate person can be a technical writer. You only need to have a good technical skills. If you are wanted to enter as a beginner, But if you are experienced, then you need to know a lot of tools and a lot of technical knowledge also into you, because only the entry level people are expected to be not having a knowledge. But if you are an experienced one, then you need to know what is API, what are the other technical stuffs, what are the specific things like business layer, physical layer, everything about the software you need to know, so that you can write it down, correctly. Next important thing, that where you gonna reach, the salary package and everything. So it can be usually it's a similar. If a developer earning up to 20, 25, 40 lakhs package, then can be a technical writer is not a lot of difference. So guys, that's it. That's information is complete with this video. And if you wanted to know anything else about the technical writing specific information, or you wanted to know that how you can become a technical writer, I would love to help you. You can comment me and I will help you with that. So keep with me. This is not the only information I'm giving you. I'm giving a lot of massive information, so just keep and stay with me and subscribe me. Bye bye.